sidereal day is the time between one full rotation of Earth around Earth's rotation axis, or 23 Earth hours and 56 Earth minutes. So a sidereal day is not quite 24 hours. And let's go take a look at why. So here we have the Earth in its orbit around the sun in the counterclockwise direction. And let's look at day 1 at noon. So here's our meridian line, our local meridian line, and we're standing here and we're looking up at the sun at noon on day 1. We see the sun high in the sky across our local meridian line. Now let's let the Earth rotate one full time around its axis as the Earth orbits and we reach position 2. The Earth rotated one full time around its rotation axis, but as you can see, this meridian line is not pointing towards the sun. The time it takes for one full rotation going from 1 to 2 is known as a sidereal day. It is not the time it takes for noon of one day to make it to noon of the next day. That one is called a solar day. Going from noon to noon is a solar day, otherwise known as a synodic day. The rotation of Earth is a little bit more than one full rotation. Remember, one full rotation brings you from position 1 to position 2. And if you want to get to position 3, the Earth needs to rotate a little bit more than one full rotation to reach back at noon so the sun is high in the sky on our local meridian. The time it takes to go from position 1 to position 3 is a solar day. The time it takes to go from position 1 to position 2 is a sidereal day. Remember, sidereal day is just one full rotation on the axis, but because the Earth is orbiting a little bit further in its orbit, it needs to rotate a little bit more to get back from noon to noon on the next day. And that's called a solar day, otherwise known as a synodic day.